Hey everyone, this is Phong Cao with Remax Advantage Parts Minnesota Real Estate Team. Just want to let you know that we have our Real Estate Investment Seminar 101 coming up on December 20th from 6:30 to 8 p.m. If you're thinking about investing in real estate but don't know how or when to start, stop on out to the seminar. We show you how to do everything from beginning to end. Our special guest speaker, Ryan O'Neill, he will share with you his personal experience. He will discuss things like what type of properties you should buy, how to rent the property and find tenants, how to fix and flip, what type of loan products should you get. Stop on out and hear what he has to say. There's no books or tapes. We're not telling you. There's no hard sales pitch. We should show you concrete examples of how to invest in real estate here in Minnesota. Click on the link below. Thank you.